Hey everyone, it's Jeff in New York, and today we are back in Vegas on Fremont Street, downtown, visiting the D Hotel and Casino. Some people might be wondering what the D stands for, and I did mention it in a video I just uploaded a week or two ago on Fremont Street, but I'll mention it again here. The D stands for three things. One, it stands for downtown. Two, it stands for Derek Stevens, also known as the Big D. He's one of the owners of the D. And thirdly, it stands for Detroit, where Derek Stevens is from. There was a big $22 million renovation in 2012, and the D became famous for quite a few attractions, including dancing dealers, as well as a second-floor casino that has a vintage Vegas theme featuring the only operational Sigma Derby game in Las Vegas. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Here's the D swimming pool, and it's not that crowded, but it's a little early in the morning, and it's a little bit nippy out as well. And obviously the pools downtown are much smaller than the ones up north on the Strip. You know, the big boy hotel and casinos. In 2017, the D added an exterior video wall promoted as the world's largest Keno board. It displays a live feed of Keno numbers as they're being drawn inside the casino. And now we're going to the second level of the casino, that vintage Vegas part, which I mentioned earlier. Hold on tight. Did you know that the D became the first casino in the world to accept Bitcoin for hotel rooms, restaurants, and gift shop items? Additionally, a Bitcoin ATM was installed next to the gambling floor where customers can buy and sell Bitcoin instantly for cash. Shut up, you didn't know that. Vegas has such a rich history, and maybe it's me, but I don't see too much vintage Vegas up here except the couple of signs on the wall. I think I could have done a better job with the theming up here. I mean, where's the Rat Pack, Marilyn Monroe, mobsters, the Fat Elvis, the Skinny Elvis, 40s and 50s music, satellite chandeliers, a fancy martini bar? I don't see it here. Ah, Sigma Derby. Now we're talking vintage Vegas. Sigma Derby is an old-time game where you sit around a table and watch mechanical horses run a race, and you bet on those horses. This is the last operating Sigma Derby in Las Vegas. And because of that, it's extremely expensive for the casino to maintain. Because of that, perhaps it's the only money-losing feature in a Las Vegas casino. Downtown's not known for its fantastic dining like Uptown is. However, one of the exceptions is Andiamo Steakhouse. If you're downtown and looking for some fine dining, just head over to the D and here you go. Andiamo has steaks and Italian favorites, and it prides itself on homemade Italian breads and award-winning sauces and homemade pastas. And before you go today, I just wanted to congratulate Viswa Punusami, who won the $50 Amazon gift card giveaway contest. There were 108 entries, and I thank everyone who entered and subscribed, and I encourage everyone to stay subscribed because your names will automatically be entered into the next giveaway, which will be coming up shortly. There'll be another $50 gift card giveaway coming up soon, and I plan on doing another Amazon, but if you leave comments below on other cards that you folks might like, let me know, and I will take that into consideration. And again, stay subscribed, and your name will automatically be entered into the next giveaway. And once again, congratulations, Viswa Punusami. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.